And we're gonna start with our delicious cabbage soup. You're gonna need a whole head of a green cabbage, some tomatoes, garlic, green peppers, onions, celery, and carrots. And you're gonna get ready your pot with some olive oil to saute the onions, the green peppers, celery, and carrots first. You're gonna give it a stir, and then once you start smelling those aromas, you're gonna add the garlic and the tomatoes. So once you do that, you're gonna stir it up a little bit, and then you add your green cabbage, all already chopped up. This is the quickest soup you ever made, I promise you. Then you add the cabbage, as I said, and then we're gonna season it a little bit with some salt, some black pepper, and then you're gonna also add some water or vegetable stock or chicken stock, whichever you prefer. That will give it more flavor to it. I also add some oregano that I rub with my hands to break up all those aromas of it. And then also some spicy for me, some crushed red pepper. You can omit all those other ingredients if you don't like them. Then I use the Instant Pot in this case, seal it up, and then cook for only 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you open it up and ta-da! Delicious soup on the street. Fantastic soup. It's so light. It was so good. Delicious, delicious. I mean, it was so quick that I couldn't believe it. So thank you for tuning in to NICAinSRQ. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Bye.